Hello students, today we are going to learn phenols. What is phenol? Phenol is a aromatic compound which contain hydroxyl group. Okay, phenol is the organic compound. Organic means here the single benzene group it attached the OH group. Okay, so organic compound in which the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, here two types of aromatic alcohols are there. One is directly attached, another one is, for example, CH4. What is CH4? CH4 is the methane. Okay, so here one hydrogen is replaced to OH. That means it convert into CH3OH. That is methanol, isn't it? So another one is again one hydrogen also replaced to benzene. That is benzyl alcohol. Okay, here two types of aromatic alcohols are there. One is directly attached to the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Another one is indirectly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, indirect means OH is not directed to the benzene ring, isn't it? So OH attached to CH2OH, then CH2 attached to the benzene, that is indirectly. Okay, so when the OH group is directly mean, that is the phenol. Okay, so here these phenols are classified into four types. One is monohydric phenol, that means the benzene ring which contain only one OH group. Okay, so example benzene ring OH. Okay, the name is phenol. Common name and IUPAC name both are phenol. Okay, next one is benzene ring attached to OH and the CH3. Okay, here CH3 is the substituents. Here only one OH group is there, that is mono. Mono means single, monohydric phenol. Example 2-methylphenol. Okay, another one is the group. Already you learned this positions. For example, the OH. When this is the ortho position, isn't it? Then this is the meta position. This also ortho position, meta position. Then this is the para position, isn't it? Already you learned this in the 11th standard. Okay, the same group here CH2, CH3 is attached in the this carbon, that is 3-methylphenol. Okay, then when the CH3 is attached in the para position, that is 4-methylphenol. Okay, this is the monohydric phenol. Next one is dihydric phenol. Okay, so dihydric means the phenol attached in the 2OH group, isn't it? So that is example is 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. 1 and 2 which contain 2 OH group, therefore 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. Okay, then here this OH group is attached in the first and third carbon. This one is second, third carbon, therefore 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. When it the OH group is present in the para portion, mean that is 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. Okay, then next example is trihydric phenol. Trihydric means the benzene group is attached in the 3-OH group. Okay, that is first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. Okay, that is tri-OH group is there. So the name is 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene. 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene. Okay, then here here also 3 OH groups are there. So first and second, third and fourth. Okay, the OH group are attached in the first, second and fourth carbon. Okay, that is 1,2,4-trihydroxybenzene. Then last one is when 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, OH group is attached in the first, third and fifth carbon. Okay, that is 1,3,5-trihydroxybenzene. Okay, third fourth type is substituted phenyl. What is substituted? When the phenyl group is substituted to another one group. Okay, for example, here NH2 is substituted to the phenol. Here aldehyde group is substituted to the phenol. Then here carboxylic acid and here CH3. Okay, so this is the orthoaminophenol. Okay, that is not O-aminophenol. This is the position of ortho. Okay, so ortho means what? The functional group is the this is the orthophenol. Then this phenyl group was substituted to aldehyde. Okay, therefore ortho, this is ortho hydroxybenzaldehyde. So the comparing OH and CHO, this CHO has the greater energy. Therefore this is the functional group. Okay, so here OH is the substituted compound. Okay, therefore we have to calculate it. This is the benzaldehyde, then OH is substituted here. That is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, then here also this compared to OH and COOH, COOH has the greater energy than the OH. Therefore, this is the functional group benzene and the COOH, that is benzoic acid. Here OH group is substituted in the benzene ring. That is here COOH is there. This is the functional group. Therefore, this is the para position. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth carbon is the para position. Therefore, para hydroxybenzoic acid. Isn't it? Then last one. Here OH group is attached to the place toluene. Okay. So toluene, that is CH3 one attached in the benzene ring. Okay. So here OH group is attached in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and the third carbon. Okay. Therefore toluene, isn't it? In third and fifth present in the OH group, that is 3,5-dihydroxytoluene. 3,5-dihydroxytoluene. Okay, students. Hope you have understood. Thank you.